Hi you guys, this is Chanel, owner at Egyptian Collection, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, you guys, I want to talk about our summer retreat collection, our summer collection. I need all products gone. I need all products gone. No, okay. I need our lashes gone. These are soft dramatic, these are dramatic. I need all of them gone. They're on the website for $1. I need our body oil perfume. If you pick some with clear, it's because I ran out of the oil for the normal ones, but this is in coconut oil and sweet almond oil, and it's sugar cookie flavor, and it smells just like sugar cookies. Sorry y'all, my ring light is really not letting y'all see it. I gotta turn my ring light down. Okay. Sugar cookie. Alright. Body oil is in our lavender vanilla, and the ingredients is grapeseed oil, lavender oil, and vanilla scent. It's our body oil. Next thing, y'all, and I'm sorry for labels. We all go through label messed ups and all this stuff. Our foam and sugar scrub and our Lala mango is the best. Like, I have people loving it. It's the best, y'all. Avery, I'm gonna now do my labels in round, because them square ones, they ain't it. I'm trying to tell y'all, they not it. So, like my strap. What in the world? I'm gonna pick y'all better ones. I don't know what the heck. Our strawberry shortcake coming soon, but I like how round it is on top. I'm gonna start doing it that way. That's all I'm gonna show y'all. I have Lala mango in foam and scrub and body butter. I need those two gone. Next, I have our Gals Love Pineapple. Gals Love Pineapple. I don't know why this one's black, but body butter, foam and scrub. I need them gone, you guys. Those body butters and foam and sugar scrub are on our website for $6. The perfume oil and the body oil is on our website for $2. Y'all cannot beat that. I need all of this gone, so I can move on. Sorry, guys. So I can move on with our Christmas collection, because I'm not doing fall. I'm missing out on fall due to my other video, how I lost my job. Y'all can go watch that video. I had everything set when I had that job. I had everything set. McDonald's it's not for everyone. It's not for the weak or the strongest, because the strongest is the survivors in McDonald's. But the strongest can go through a lot mentally, and McDonald's mess up with your mentally. Let y'all know that. But I'm in a better job. I will be posting inventory. I have bought new containers. I had bought before I lost my job, because I was super excited about moving into the white containers. I had bought the white containers, and what's that inside? There's a little prize inside. They got a little prize inside, y'all. What's this prize? Oh, it's a sample. Okay, I had bought these white containers because I was like, I want to do white now since my brand colors is black, white. That's the only main goals. But the behind the color is teal, blue teal. So I have bought the white ones, but now I'm kind of upgrading everything. Like I'm looking into a lot of things to upgrade, like the body oil, maybe upgraded, and then the perfume oil. May stay like this, roller set on, kind of liking it. Y'all gotta go get y'all some. It smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like sugar cookies, y'all. I have, I use this body oil just now. I use my body butter, my Gala pineapple body butter. You see that shine? That's what you're gonna get from my body butter. And I use the body oil for extra moisture. And I'm already halfway done for the second bottle. Here's what I'm talking about. So you may get some that is like a lighter texture. That is my perfume oil, and I use that up because I smell like a sugar cookie. This is my guys for pineapple. I think this one was, can't show y'all that one because that one was the strawberry cheesecake. No, strawberry shortcake. That was the strawberry shortcake. I'm on the second of my pineapple body butter because I love my product. So I need them gone. I have had customers, but they've been locally customers, and I thank them for supporting my small business because that's tough for all small business to get people to support. So I had my best sellers is my pineapple and my mango. That's my best sellers for local. Such as body oil, I'm just now having my locals get into the body oil, and yeah, I need them gone, y'all. Like, I need them gone. I have a lot. I have a lot of the pineapples. I have few of the mangoes, and I have a lot of the body oils, a lot of the perfume oils. I need them gone. They need to go. And I have a lot of my lashes. You want to see the lashes again? These are my lashes. These are the style N22. You can see it. And this is the style of G03. So when you order in on the website, it's going to have those numbers, and that way I know what y'all ordering because it's going to have G03 and 22, so I know what y'all ordering. Me having names for my lashes like everybody else do, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So if I do get into the names, I'm still going to have them name and then the numbers behind them type stuff. But these are my lashes. I wear these. These are my two ones I wear to work. And everybody at work would be like, I like your lashes. Your lashes so cute. So, I don't know. When I'm at work, I tend not to promote them. Like, yeah, these are my lashes. I sell lashes. But versus me being on camera and on social media, I promote them like that. But I'm going to get into that. I'm revamping my website, so that's why I say I need them gone, because once they gone, I can close the website down to revamp it. Like this, like my business card, I'm thinking of revamping my business card. Notice how I told y'all my theme colors is white, black, and teal. This is teal. These is the behind the colors. So, and it's white. And the background is black, so I need them on, y'all. This video is based on me needing all my products gone, and when I do sell out, I'm just so thankful for the local orders. I'm thankful for how far I have become, because when I was selling the Valentine's collection, I struggled. Let me show you. Remember these boxes, the Valentine boxes? I have the old. This is the B-Day, and we're like close to the end, and I gotta do Valentine's over. That was the B-Day collection. I had the cute little boxes, tie them up, tie the ribbon, and then all that was so cute what I did, but I didn't push myself. I've been pushing myself this year, and I showed it showed growth, y'all. It showed growth how consistent I was. But now, since I had lost my job, the times where I lost my job, I have been consistent on TikTok. I had built my TikTok up. I remember when my business TikTok was 87 followers. Now it's 270 followers, because I've been consistent and I've been posting. I didn't care about the likes and the comments. I just been pushing content out. Just kept pushing. Everybody loved it. So yeah, I just need them gone. The strawberry shortcake body butters, and it's super excited about everything I do. I'm getting better at like making labels. So yeah, if you watch this video and you stuck this long through, even on these funny things I was jabbering up my words, I'm not editing out. It's raw footage. Everything gonna be raw footage, okay? Cause this is me. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I need them gone. I need my summer retreat collection gone. The website will be in the description box. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're on our way to 500 subscribers, and watch time will need to be 3,000. That could take time, but I just want to better my YouTube. Just want to be a content creator for YouTube and for my business. So that's what I'm working on. Yeah. And everybody have a blessed day. I can't talk today, but everybody have a blessed day. Bye.